What could possibly link Hollywood icons, racetracks, and countless driveways across the globe? Enter the Ford Mustang, a beacon of innovation and style, making its grand debut at the New York World's Fair on April 17, 1964. This automobile wasn't just a car. It was a declaration of freedom, an affordable sports car that captured the very essence of adventure and liberty. Ford's vision was clear from the beginning: to create a car that would be accessible to the masses, yet still offer the performance and aesthetics of a luxury sports car. The Mustang was designed to appeal to a diverse range of drivers, from the young and adventurous to the mature and sophisticated. The concept for the Mustang originated from a desire to introduce something radically different in the automotive market. Ford's designers and engineers were given the freedom to innovate, leading to a vehicle that combined sporty allure with practical functionality. The Mustang's introduction was perfectly timed, aligning with the burgeoning youth culture of the 1960s, a decade known for its countercultural movements and a significant shift in social norms and values. Young people were looking for ways to express their individuality and rebellion, and the Mustang fit perfectly into this cultural revolution. The design of the Mustang was a departure from the typical family cars or the unaffordable sports cars of the era. It featured a long hood, a compact and low chassis, and a sleek, aggressive grille that made it instantly recognizable. Inside, the Mustang was just as revolutionary, with its comfortable and stylish interior, which could be customized with a variety of options, from different engine sizes to convertible tops, making each Mustang as unique as its owner. The marketing of the Mustang was also innovative. Ford used extensive television, radio, and print advertising, often targeting younger audiences. The Mustang was even featured in several movies and TV shows, further cementing its image as a cool and desirable car. Its appearance on the silver screen alongside big Hollywood names made it a symbol of glamour and excitement. The debut of the Mustang at the New York World's Fair was an event in itself. It was not just a launch, it was a cultural spectacle that symbolized American ingenuity and the dawn of a new era in automotive design. The public's response was overwhelming. The demand was so high that Ford dealerships struggled to keep up, and the Mustang became a bestseller almost overnight. It wasn't just popular in the United States, it quickly found an audience worldwide, becoming icon. Over the years, the Mustang has evolved, incorporating new technologies and design changes while maintaining the core elements that made it a symbol of freedom and adventure. Its enduring popularity is a testament to its initial design philosophy, a car not just meant for travel, but for thrill and a statement of identity. The impact of the Mustang extends beyond just being a car. It has become a cultural icon, influencing various aspects of popular culture and becoming a subject of study in automotive history. Its legacy is not just in the number of cars sold, but in how it changed perceptions about what an automobile could be. It is a representation of innovation, pushing the boundaries of possible in automotive design and marketing. The story of the Mustang is a narrative of visionary design and cutting-edge marketing intertwined with the cultural currents of its time. It is a story that continues to evolve, inspiring new generations of car enthusiasts and designers. The Mustang is not just a car, it is a phenomenon that reshaped the automotive landscape and captured the imagination of millions around the world. Thus, the stage was set for an icon that would galvanize the automotive world.